Oh, strike one! Try again.
Do it. Oh!
Why didn't you catch that?
Hanging up here like my protection cup or something.
Okay.
Like my protection
Oh my
cup.
goodness, here's protectors.
Mallory has her protection cup. Don't forget that.
Go. Oh!
Strike two.
Mallory, you
Strike two.
You're really a pitcher.
Alright.
I guess she's like,
Ready?
Yeah.
Can I do that too?
You need some big league chew now.
See if I can get a bigger one. There we go.
Guys, I can totally beat you.
Alright.
you better not.
That was like
swing it too
nothing,
hard.
Lucy.
Alright.
Lucy, why are you holding
Victory.
yourself?
Because she has a cup cover, I want one too!
We can share.